Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can bypass lock screen. So if you have forgot the password or your iPhone is unavailable, so if you want to remove the passcode of your iPhone without computer, without restoring it, without downloading the files, without 3U tool or iTunes, and if you want to bypass the lock screen, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So it's 100% working trick, but you will lose your data in your iPhone, so make sure that you have your backup in your iCloud account. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So for that guys, you need another mobile phone. You can borrow from friend. So I have this mobile right here. So now I'm going to use this phone to remove the passcode of my this iPhone. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to browser. You're gonna open Google. Then simply what you're gonna do is you're gonna search for iCloud. Open the iCloud. So once you're here, click on sign in. Then sign in the Apple ID that you are using on this iPhone. So I'm going to sign in the Apple ID iCloud account that I was using on this iPhone. So let me sign in. So guys, once you're logged into the iCloud account that you are using on this iPhone, now what you're going to do is you're going to click here, click find my. So it will show you your device. So just wait. So as you can see, now where is the device? Now what you're going to do is click on this device and you will get this erase mode, right? Click on it, then scroll down, click on continue. So make sure that you have a backup of your iCloud. So now enter the Apple ID password to erase this iPhone. So now let me enter. So make sure that you enter the two-factor verification code. You can get the verification code on your phone number. Now click on continue. Now it's optional. Click on next. Click on done. So now this is erasing the iPhone. So click on OK. Now as you can see, now simply click on remove from account, and also this will remove the account. So now let me enter the password. Click on remove device. So once it's done, so you don't need this phone right now, so just wait until this restore process is complete. Select the country, then simply click on setup manually. Now choose the Wi-Fi. Click on continue. Setup touch ID later. Don't use passcode. So now as you can see guys, without just restoring from iTunes or 3U tool without using any computer, now the password is removed from iPhone passcode. Now you can use your iPhone. Now you can sign in back to your iCloud account and restore all the data. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.